As Tunisian authorities enforce a general lockdown, victims of domestic violence are facing increased risks. The country has seen an increase in reported cases of domestic violence since the beginning of the lockdown. In response, Tunisian authorities have set up a committee to combat the issue. CGTN's Adnan Shawashi with more.
The decision was taken during a working session between the Minister of Women, Family, Children and Elderly Affairs, the General Delegate for Child Protection, the Interior Ministry and the directors of listening centers, as well as managers for shelters for battered women.
Unfortunately, the number of reported cases of violence against women has more than quintupled compared to the same period in 2019. This psychological pressure is a result of the general lockdown at home, but many aggressions were also reported in the streets and some working environments. We're providing the necessary support and assistance.
An awareness and solidarity campaign with quarantined women who are in vulnerable situations and subject to violence was launched under the slogan of "You are not alone."
The campaign was put in motion in collaboration with the Ministry of Women, Family, Children and Elderly Affairs and different partners among official institutions and the civil society. Many women face the double risk of the COVID-19 infection, violence and marginalization.
Increased violence against women in these exceptional circumstances was denounced by women's rights activists. The new campaign is designed to offer assistance through domestic violence hotlines and accommodation at a specialized center.
Violence against women is on the rise in all social classes. I personally take the risk of going to work and respect all measures to prevent infection. It's hard when one goes home to find a bad atmosphere. Both men and women must make concessions and reject violence.
The Association of Tunisian Women for Research and Development announced that solidarity with women will continue in a wide range of difficult situations, including violence, disabilities, low income, precarious jobs, and migrant status. According to the Minister of Women's Affairs and the Interior Minister, a special brigade for combating crimes of violence against women will intervene during the isolation and the general lockdown period. In addition, psychotherapists and lawyers will provide assistance and psychological counseling to families. Adnan Shawashi, CGTN, Tunis.